Hello, third period. This is Robert Welch. Listen, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do my science project. My question on my science project was how far will a 2-liter bottle rocket fly? My hypothesis was I believe that a 2-liter bottle rocket will fly between 5 and 7 feet. Now, for my controlled, independent, and dependent variables. Well, to move on to it. My independent variable was the wind. Because, trust me, wind can be a very important variable. My dependent was distance, because that's what I'm doing my whole thing on. My tank controls were my bottle, the type of water I was using, spring water, tap water, the environment, the cork, the launcher itself, the pump, the pumper, the person who was pumping it, the amount of water, where did you pump it, and how did you pump it. Now first, I started with a basic 2-liter bottle rocket, with a 2-liter soda bottle, excuse me. Now, I removed the label and put the NRSA, which stands for the National Rocket Space Association, Academy, whatever. Then I removed the label, of course, the cap retainer along with the lid. Now, for this one I kept the cap retainer on just to keep it on there. I didn't reinforce the bottle with strapping tape. I just used the bottle as it was. I didn't put any fins on. Like I told you, I didn't want to. It took up too much time. But this was the first of 2 I used. Now, the 2 were actually very successful. But on trial 3, for both of them, they didn't go far. In fact, Dr. Thunder 2 only went 2 inches on trial 3. Now, and I'm just doing this YouTube video because I can, and it's just for fun. First, I added 1 liter of water, represented by this napkin. Now, that's roughly about half the soda container. Next, I inserted the stopper into the mouth of the bottle. Now, the cork I bought was just a little bit too small. So what did I do? I still used cork, but with paper. Well, it's this paper type of cork that you wrap around the cork itself and then plug it up into the bottle. Next, I placed the rocket in one of the holes of my launcher. It was a 60-degree angle, and 90 degrees was the greatest height. I attached the bicycle pump to the bottle itself, and then I started pumping. After about 10 or 12 pumps, I finally got ignition. Then the launcher took off with the stopper still in it. Oh, it was left on the ground. Now, for my trials, for the first bottle rocket I shot, it was about 6 feet. The next one was about 2 feet for bottle rocket number 1, and then 5 inches for trial 3. Now that's for Dr. Thunder number 1. Dr. Thunder number 2, which is this baby right here, pretty. Trial 1, she went only 2 feet. Trial 2, 2 feet again, and trial 3, about 2 to 3 inches. Sorry to say. My conclusion: my hypothesis was correct. A bottle rocket can fly 5 to 7 feet. I know they can fly farther in some cases, but the bottle rocket I designed. Now, this is also what I also discovered, that sometimes it takes more pumps than you usually think. I mean, 10 to 12 pumps for just one of them. Once it took about me pumping for about 2 straight minutes just to get one off the ground. That was trial 3 for number 2. I guess this is it for my science project. Right now, these are just 2 things I decided to post on. I make these in my spare time. This one I just put together for the heck of it. This one I made it out roughly about December, so it's about 4 months old. The bottle rocket itself, my mom actually gave me the idea to glue it on, put the NRSA on it, National Rocket Space Association. And basically, here's my poster behind me. And you guys out there just watching me drooling, sleeping. And yes, I know some of you may be sleeping. This is Robert Welch. See you guys in class.